Santa Cruz is a mud town. Everything mud out, mud. You can't go through. Be a mud. One Indian. Yeah, be a mud, watch it. Mud town. Where so much mud coming from? I don't know. But down at Santa Cruz, be a mud. Look like the mud run from the hill. From in on the hillside. Santa Cruz. Mud there. Good man. Mud heap up on this on the road. I don't know where. A whole heap of damage this, you know. Where this mud come from, I don't know. But they want to scrape out mud out of everything. Mud on this side. Mud. Mud in our mothers. Mud. Mud on the road. Come like a mud flood this. Yep, they got a mud flood. Yeah man, Santa Cruz set away. The thing run down in here so I broke out the whole of this. The whole of mothers. Santa Cruz gone. Nothing but mud. Stay tuned for more videos.